Hello and welcome to another video. So here we're going to see how we can generate with AI some either design mockups, some quick ideas for our next project, mostly design or web design, or we can also generate some photos from zero or from something that we have and we want the AI to help us with this. For example, we may have a photo of ourselves or a photo of an object or a place we want to go or we've been there. And we can get the AI to generate something in there or something from the photo we're going to give to it. And also we can help ourselves with designs and mockups and quick ideas in our daily life, especially if it's in our job or a hobby we do. So let's jump into the AI and see how we can do this. So the first thing you have to do is you go to MidJourney, and MidJourney at the moment is one of the best AI tools for images. And it's working through Discord. That's why you have to have a Discord account or you will create a new one. And then as you go here, you can click join the beta, and this will give you the Discord access. As you can see from here, from my browser, it got me into the Discord channel, and here I can see everything. So first things first, you have to go into a newbies channel, and this is the channel that you can use to generate some photos. And also you can see what other people have generated so far. Let's start with the web design part. So first I'm gonna go to a website like Dribble and find the UI. Let's go, for example, on the web design part, and here you can see several examples and designs. I could take something like let's take something like this. We don't actually steal a design, we just want to use it to generate an idea of ours using the AI. So I just copy the URL and then I'm going back to the AI. And then as you can see, some work of others. Here you just type /imagine. It will give you the prompt. Then you paste the URL of your design and then you say, let's create an example, let's create a design about, I don't know, video games. So you can say video games website. You can do comma, you can say design, comma, UI, UX, something like this. And you can also give it -v4, which is the fourth version of the AI. And then I'm giving it a try. Give it a couple of seconds. Usually it will take a minute to generate an image. And at the same time, you can see what other people generated. I've used this UI and we hope that it will keep the same layout, not exactly the same, but parts of this layout to generate our design here. You can see here it's at 0%, it says fast, and we're gonna give it a few more seconds and see the result. Soon you will see like 30%, it's kind of loading. I just put it video games website here, so we'll see what will be. 62%, it's coming up slowly. You can see that it kept some elements from the old design. That's not bad, but if you give another name like not video games, or maybe shoes or something about clothes, it can be different. So now it's loaded. If I scroll a bit more down, I will see these are the 4 results that it gave me. I'm happy with the first one, for example, or even the fourth one. And then depends on what it generated here. You can see if you're happy with one of these versions, you can just click it here and it will give you the upscale photo, because this is just a small photo. And if you're happy with one of the versions but you want something more, you can click this button, one of these, for example, for the fourth one, and it will generate 4 different variations of this one. Let's see if it got it. It should be, yes, it's right here. It's starting again at 0%. And we give it a minute or two and then we'll be able to see. So it's going a bit faster now to give us 4 different variations. Should be done. Yeah, this is done. So it got this one and it gave us some different variations. And you can see at the moment you have a great first mock-up of a design you may use. Of course, everything, the text and everything is not clear here, but you can actually use this as a first idea. Let's try to click open original. Okay, and we can see that It has some nice graphics, nice ideas. You can check the areas that it's trying to create, and this is created from scratch. We only give some layout, but then you can see these patterns here, these textures. So very nice ideas. And if you like one of these and you want to keep it, you just go back to the result and you click actually one of these, and then you have your web design result. Now let's see what we can generate from scratch. For example, a photo we may like. Here you can say, for example, let's do a picture style photo, and it can be a nice dog. Let's say little dog. It could be in I don't know, New York City, picture, cartoon style. What else can we add? I usually get ideas from the rest. Here you can see their comments about the environment, but this is not very important for now. We can just use the last command, which is the v4, and let it generate whatever it will generate. As you can see right here, some other ones. You can always check what the others are typing to the AI and what are the results, and sometimes are great results like this one that's coming from scratch. So we'll wait for a second or two. It's at 0% to generate little dog picture style. Yeah, you can see some impressive stuff here. So it's starting creating a little dog in New York City at 30%. It's already looking nice. Let's see. Okay, should be done. Go down here, and wow, this is incredible. You can see the actually first we got 4 different dogs, so we can decide what we want and what our style will be. Also, we got kind of 4 different backgrounds. It all reminds you of a city. Sometimes you can see it's New York City because of taxi and skyscrapers, but not always. And actually, this is impressive. If you want to generate a character for a movie of yours, or something that for a script of yours, maybe something that you want to make, this is incredible. Let's say I like this white dog down here. Let's find a message up here and say I like the white dog, upscale it. So down here should be my message. Yeah, here it's upscaling. And remember, we never gave any information more than this. We just gave this information. We didn't give it a photo to start from or anything. We just gave this information. Now it says post. I'm not really sure why, but should be fine. I never seen it post. Yeah, should be fine. It will take a while, but it will come back to us and give us the result. It's quite it's quick, let's say. It's useful. Sometimes it can be buggy, but the last days I was able to generate a lot of photos, and it was going great. It was working great. So I'm just I think the upscale, it takes from 2 to 3 minutes maybe, so that's why it takes a bit more. But if you want to generate the first one, a quick example like this, it usually takes a minute. And yeah, I'm very impressed by this result, and you can see all the details and everything. It's just incredible how you can create something from scratch and from zero. Let's see if we get the upscale. No, it's still 0%. Let's give it a bit more, and we can actually check the channel for some more of some Spider-Man here. We have some cyberpunk robot style here, the one we've seen before with snow and maybe Russia. It's stunning. The photos it creates are stunning there from zero. That's incredible. And I cannot see my task here, so probably it's done. Yeah, it's done. This is the photo. You can see it's upscaled and it's great resolution. I'm actually very impressed and very happy with the result. So this is it. This is how you can easily and quickly use MidJourney to create some photos of yours. At the moment the service is free. You can generate a couple of photos for free, and then you may have to pay for some extra fees. but yeah, it's enough to actually start testing stuff with AI, and it will definitely help you in some design projects if you're a designer. I hope this video was helpful, and we'll talk on another video.